Hi friends, today I'll give a small introduction about universal energy. Have you ever known what it's like to be one with the universe? Have you ever felt what it is like to be in harmony with everything that exists and in total alignment with your surroundings? Do you understand that to be integrated with the universe is one of the life's greatest blessings? I will share how to build this integration with the universe. Trust me, everyone should experience union with the universe at least once in your life, if not every day in your life. You can learn to build this connection. The universe is an all-powerful and loving connection to the source of all infinite potential. Being in harmony with this energy allows anything and everything that you wish. The sun is the perfect example of universal power. Think about it. The sun powers all life on earth. The sun surrounds your existence by giant waves of cosmic energy. You cannot see this energy, but you can certainly feel its power. The sun is just one example of the universal energies which plays a significant role in our lives. The role of universal energy in your life is defined as you give direction to the energy through your intentions and desires. When your energy is properly directed, it can be used to manifest anything you desire. You can attract the life you have always dreamt of. At the same time, if you are out of alignment with universal energy, you will experience problems, pain, and struggle. The way to alchemically transform your life is to clear out whatever is blocking universal energy. When you do this, energy will pour into your body, mind, and soul. Your alignment with universal energy will bring you all of the health, relationships, and happiness you desire. You can have the money you want, the love you crave, and the health you need to survive and thrive. When you're flowing with universal energy, money will begin to manifest mysteriously into your life. As you allow more energy into your life, you can fall into amazing relationships. Your alignment with universal energy can also make you feel about 10 years younger. Living as one with the awesome power of the universe will help you every step of the way as you manifest your deepest dreams. So why do so many never make their desires a reality? Have you thought about it? If you have been struggling with the same problems for years, then you have probably developed very powerful negative and limiting beliefs. Negative will take you out of the flow of universal energy in an instant. The fact is that you can get around these blocks and manifest your destiny, no matter how great or small it is. The chakra clearing has been specifically designed to help you realign with universal energy faster than you ever thought possible. It's easy for you to clean your chakras and remove all the blocks quickly and allow you to begin manifesting through the law of attraction. All you have to do is relax and listen. In fact, all kinds of near miraculous events will begin to occur naturally when your chakras are fully in line with universal energy. The universe responds to your frequency. It doesn't recognize your personal desires, wants, or needs. It only understands the frequency in which you are vibrating at. For example, if you are vibrating in the frequency of fear, shame, or guilt, you are going to attract things of a similar vibration to support that frequency. If you are vibrating in the frequency of love, joy, and abundance, you are going to attract things to support that frequency. It is like tuning a radio station. You have to be tuned into the radio station you want to listen to. Just like you have to be tuned into the energy you want to manifest in your life. Thank you.